I made a small start on building the B-26 Invader. I've laid the wing plan down on the board and allowed it to relax this afternoon, and this evening I've been tracing the drawing because I need a port on a starboard wing, and they only show you one. I've actually been making a tracing. For this I've used a sheet of tracing paper, good quality tracing paper, a good nice long rule, a bendy curve thing which I'm doing the tips and that, and a gel pen. The gel pen works really well on tracing paper, and once you've applied this, you can apply some fixative to fix the gel in place so that it doesn't bleed through onto the wood. That's the answer for that. So this is quite a minor stage, but I thought a lot of these things you do in model making I take for granted, but I know a lot of people would benefit from just simple things like how to trace parts and things like that. So I've started at the beginning, and we'll call this part one of the build. And as we go on, it'll be like a working catalogue really of how to build a model from a kit, or even from scratch if you like. So that's basically the idea. What I've done actually is I've marked all the ribs in place. I've got to put the numbers by the side so I can match them up with the actual balsa wood. This is the engine nacelle. I haven't even studied that yet, to be honest. I'm going to build the two wing panels first, and then from there I'll get an idea of what goes where, how the wing attaches, how the engine nacelles are mounted as well. So it's a modest start, as I say, but if anybody gets any slightest bit of information from this that's going to help them, that's fine. That's exactly what I want anyway. So thank you for watching this series, and part 2 coming up soon. Thank you.